In Phoenix, Arizona, if you're charged with a sex offense, you've got a very rough road. One must understand that jurors come into these types of cases with preconceived notions about sex crimes. And it's up to a skilled criminal defense attorney to point out to the jurors what their duties and obligations are regarding our Constitution, and that they would want those same principles imparted to their loved ones and their neighbors. A criminal defense attorney must teach the presiding judge over your case about how persons charged with sex crimes, but whom ultimately plead, or sex offenders, can be treated, that their rate of recidivism is lower than most other crimes, for example, armed robbers, so that they can understand that with treatment, these people can rejoin the community. We really need to move forward with treatment, and prosecutors need to focus on that, rather than every politician focusing on, let's be tough on crime so I can get reelected. We don't always have the answer that comforts our clients. And so I think you have to prepare them carefully, them and their families, very carefully when cases involve sex crimes. Because frankly, it's very similar to going to your doctor with a tumor inside and saying, and knowing that it's cancerous, for example, and saying, hey doc, can you get the whole thing? Can you make it so I can live through this? The doctor's not going to say, oh, don't worry about it. I'll take care of you. I'm going to make it so that you live through this. The doctor's going to say, sir, I'm going to do the very best I can. So this is what I always tell all of my clients. I can't promise you that it's going to work out so that your son or your daughter goes free. I just want you to know that what you're paying for is skilled representation, and I'm going to do the very best I can for your son or your daughter.